Hello my supernatural friend, I'm Laura with Supernatural VR Addict, and in this video I'm going to show you how I do my side-by-side editing in Adobe Premiere Pro, because some of you were asking how I do that. I'm going to use two video tracks. The one video track from my Oculus, which I record within the Oculus, which is this one, and then I have a video track, a camera that's recording my body, of course. We have the two video tracks, one on top of each other. Now, sometimes the sequence settings, the format changes when I add the first track, and as you can see, it's in a square format. I don't want it to be square, so I'm going to sequence settings and going to put in the horizontal, going to put 1920, and in the vertical I'm going to put 1080 so that it's at a 16:9 format. It's in a long landscape format. The track on top is the track of my body, which I have filmed vertically. Going here to effect controls, and here in rotation I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees so that it's vertical, so you can see me vertically. And then I'm going to drag it a little bit to the left because that's where I like this to be put. Then I'm minimizing it just a little bit so I leave a little more space for the Oculus shot. So right, just about like that. Then on the bottom I have my Oculus video track. I'm going again to effect controls, and I have this selected. Then I am just dragging this over to the right a little bit, and I see I have a little space, so I can make it just a little bit bigger so it fills the screen. And what I like to do, depending on how dark it looks, I like to increase the exposure just a little bit to lighten up these tracks, and then I'm lightening my camera because it's a little dark in my house. So now you can see them both, one on top of each other, and you can see them side by side. The tricky part is synchronizing the two so that you see they're not synchronized at all. If I was to play it right now, it would be totally unsynchronized. See, not synchronized at all. I need to make my movements synchronize with the Oculus, what I'm doing in there. And I synchronize my first hit with the first punch in the Oculus. So I see the first punch right here is the punch in the Oculus. Right there, that's the first hit. The song is starting. I'm making this a little bit smaller so I can be super precise. I'm going really slowly. The portal is opening, and slowly that target is coming towards me, and punch. There. My left hand is all the way extended right now, and so this track right here, the Oculus track, I'm going to cut, Control K, I'm gonna cut it right there, and then whatever is in front, I'm just gonna delete it for now. And now I'm going forward and I'm looking at my body, and I'm searching for the motion when I'm going to make the first hit with the left hand.
So I'm going, just waiting. I'm still waiting. Here we go. Sometimes it takes a little.
There it is. There's the first hit. See? You just have to...
And then bang.
Hand all the way extended. Now I'm selecting this, and then Control K, I'm cutting that, and I'm going to delete that track in front. And now I'm bringing this track over the other track, and if I let it play, now it should be all synchronized. That looks synchronized as far as I can see. Alright, so now I'm just going to extend the rest of it. And now it should be all synchronized. Sometimes I like to leave the intro if it's a nice one. And Now if you listen a little bit, there's a little bit of echo if I leave both audio tracks on.
Today's boxing workout is a Cinco de Mayo fiesta.
Do you hear the echo? So then what I like to do is, because you see I have two audio tracks, the Oculus records the audio and then my camera picks it up too. And unless I say something funny worth sharing, generally I delete my camera track. Control L, that separates the video track from the audio track. So now I can just select the audio track from my camera and I delete that. And now if I let it play, there's not going to be any echo.
Let's get warmed up and ready to party. Hands up with the...
That's a lot cleaner. And now if I go forward, for example, to the next song, should be
Keep the fun going.
should be synchronized. There we go, that's all there is to it. I generally like to just publish song by song, but sometimes I publish a whole workout. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I hope you found this informational and helpful. And there's gonna be a video soon about my whole journey in supernatural and dieting and all of that, because I know some of you are wondering. I'll see you guys next time, and keep training.